Automobile manufacturing hasn't changed much in the last 100 years, being quite ineffective, says inventor and automobile designer Kevin Zinger.
It took too much time and too much capital and was too risky because all of that time and capital went into a set of industrial cookie cutters that couldn't be changed. They could only cut the same cookie.
Zinger and his son Lucas are working to change that by using artificial intelligence to engineer parts produced on a 3D printer that are lighter and more easily customized than in traditional manufacturing.
But if you wanted to change that part, you'd have to make a new casting mold. So re-engineer your entire casting mold just to make one design change. In our process, we just re-optimize with the software. We print it on our 3D printers in metal, perfectly optimized, wasting no material. And if you want to make a design change, within days we can have a new part to you.
Their Zinger 21C was one of Time magazine's best invention of 2023. Zinger says the car's powerful hybrid engines produce nearly 1,400 horsepower.
This car symbolizes the transition from a built world, like physically human built world that's analog, to a completely new, much more efficient world, a world that is much more in harmony with nature because it minimizes material and energy use.
The Zingers say it's an approach that lowers industrial carbon emissions and democratizes automobile design by allowing local manufacturers anywhere to create customized parts. Jenny Adulo, VOA News, Los Angeles.